Hi, I'm Josh Whalen, founder of Blokes. I started Blokes because I wanted men's healthcare to be more simple and more straightforward. There are also areas of men's health that need a drastic improvement. First, we are virtual and work around your schedule. We eliminate stale and busy waiting rooms and driving out of your way for treatments that you could and should be doing at home. Second, we've partnered with the nation's top labs to ensure that you will have the best and most accurate results. And third, we've hired some of the top hormone and peptide experts in the country to bring all of these services directly to your home. You likely lack energy, mental clarity, focus, and perhaps your bedroom performance has even dipped, and maybe you hit a wall working out. And if you're anything like me, you just want to be a better version of yourself for your kids, your partner, and your friends. Don't put your health on the back burner. We are here to help.